How to create QQ account. So if you want to create a QQ account, then first make sure to install the QQ application from your Play Store or your App Store. Once you install the application, you need to simply search for QQ and open up the application. Once you open, you can go and agree, and if you want to allow the notifications, allow it. And here on the bottom you will have two buttons, right? So the right button, which has that blue color, is a button for login. So if you want to log into your account, then you can simply go with that, and you need to enter your login credentials and you will be able to log in. But if you don't have your account and if you want to create your account, then go with the left button, bottom left, and it will take you to the sign up. And here you need to enter your mobile number. So first choose the country code, and then you will be able to enter your mobile number. So if your country code is not correct, then make sure to tap on the country code option, and then you need to choose the country code. And once you enter your mobile number, you need to simply tap on the blue button. Once you tap on the blue button, it will ask you to either verify or to enter your email address, and then tap on the blue button, and a verification code will be sent to your mobile number or the email address. You can simply enter that code and you will be able to create your QQ account. So that's how you can create a QQ account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.